Are you a business owner that wonders why you should use videos in your marketing? It's not just because 81% of other businesses do it, but because of algorithms, websites are 53 times more likely to reach Google's front page if they include video. And including video on your landing page can boost your conversion rate by up to 80%. Also, most marketers believe video is better than other types of content when it comes to return on investment. Plus, social media posts with video have 48% more views than those without. And finally, 97% of marketers say video helped customers gain a better understanding of their products and services. So what are you waiting for? Contact Gutowski Creative today to add video to your marketing. Call 541-606-0044 and have a creative day.